Look, you can mimic the bottle, but you cannot copy the sauce. I have seen so many brands try to imitate Dream Coat, and I'm sorry, but it just cannot be duplicated. And today we are going to put it to the ultimate test. So yes, while there are other products that can definitely make your hair frizz-free, initially, it will not stay frizz-free when you put it to the moisture test. The second you start sweating or step into any sort of moisture, it's gone. But not with Color Wow Dream Coat. It is going to last through any type of moisture, and to prove that to you today, I'm going to stand in a 5-minute steam shower and show you what my hair looks like after the steam shower is over. Okay, I did not think this through. I definitely should have wore setting spray today on top of my makeup because it got really hot really fast. Keep in mind, I have extremely frizzy, wavy hair, okay? So I wanted to put my type of hair to the test for y'all because it's easy for the girls with straight, smooth hair. But when you see me with the frizzy hair coming out like this, that's how you know this stuff works. There is only one real Color Wow Dream Coat.